This tutorial will go over how to use Duolingo to learn another language. You'll know how to start a new account using your school G Suite account, how to select the language you want to learn, and what happens once you've selected this language, and the daily practice you will be doing. Therefore, you'll know how to do all these things as a student, and teachers can learn how to integrate practicing a new language with their Chromebook into the curriculum. So this is what it looks like when you open up Duolingo. Go down to get started, and then it shows you all the potential languages that you can learn from. So let's pick a language like German, and then now say how much you want to practice a day. So let's just do regular, set goal, and then press continue with Google. Choose the account, then press if you're new to the language or you already know some, and then it gives you a placement test, or you can start at the basics. So I'm going to start at the basics, press allow, and then you work through this. Ich bin eine Frau. And then you press continue. Press no thanks, we're just going to use the free version. And now from here, you can press on basics, start, or you can look at words that you've already learned, such as ich, pronoun, and you just practice now. Tells you your strength on that word. Under labs, there's Duolingo stories, events, podcasts, and dictionary. And then you work through each of these things by pressing start. And then after you've gone through that practice, press continue. And you keep working, and eventually you'll unlock the next step. So you do all of this for free, and it reminds you with emails and reminders to go and practice every day. And then once you're done, if you ever want to add a language, all you do is add a new course. And then you pick which one you want to learn. Press start course. Choose your path. And then work through that language. So that is how you use Duolingo.